Hello class 10th. Today I am going to start with your chapter 8, that is Introduction to Trigonometry. Now trigonometry beta is a totally new term for you, is a branch of mathematics about which you have not learned in your earlier classes. So let's go it by word to word meaning first of all before going into its detail. Now I'm showing it from your book. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek word tri, meaning three, gon meaning sides, and metron means measuring. In fact, what is it? Trigonometry is the study of relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. Beta. I'm repeating, trigonometry is the study of relationships between sides and angles of a triangle. Now, moreover, this trigonometry is used to find out the distant the distance from us to stars and from earth to different planets. It also helps with these things that we will discuss in the next chapter 9. So now first of all let's discuss what are trigonometric ratios beta. Now trigonometric ratios, first of all I'm just telling you, this is sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. These are 6 trigonometric ratios. But as such, sine, cosecant, cos, secant, tan, cot has no meaning till we will write some angle with them. Any angle if you write with them, like sine A, cos A, tan A, now it is meaningful. Similarly, cosecant A, secant A, cot A, some angle I am writing, so then it becomes meaningful. Now this is sine and A are not multiplying with each other. It has no meaning. Sine has no meaning. It becomes meaningful only when an angle is written with it. So sine A means sine of some angle. So this again we will discuss in detail later on. But first of all, let's discuss one thing more. But this is what? A right angle triangle I have drawn. Whenever a right angle triangle we will draw, 3 sides we used to consider. One is its hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. Till your 9th class we have told you that the side opposite to 90 degree is always what? Hypotenuse. तो यहाँ पे भी ये सेम है बता कि 90 के ऑपोजिट वाली साइड ही हमेशा हाइपोटन्यूज कंसिडर होएगी. सो ए सी इन दिस ट्राइंगल इज अ हाइपोटन्यूज. Now in your up to your 9th class we used to tell you कि either AB को बेस ले लो या BC को बेस ले लो. अगर आप AB को बेस लेते थे तो BC becomes perpendicular. अगर BC बेस बनता है तो AB perpendicular बन जाता है. और हम लोग एक we used to apply Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So we used to tell you कि base and perpendicular किसी को भी आप interchange हो सकते हैं. So using that concept here I am telling you one important thing here. So note one thing here better. What is it? If we are in trigonometry, if we are considering particular angle, here these two angles are acute angle, we will just consider these two angles. 90 degree angle we will not consider while with this sine cos tan. हम लोग वो बाद में बताएंगे sin 90 cos 90 क्या होता है. बट हम लोग यहाँ पे जो this A और C, either I can write A or C because these two are acute angles. Acute angles की मैं बात कर रही हूँ बेटा. Whenever we are considering angle A, तो A angle is between which two sides? This side and this side. Now this side is always hypotenuse. AC is always hypotenuse. This cannot be changed. But अगर we are considering A angle, then AB becomes what? Base, and BC will be considered as perpendicular. Similarly, if we are considering angle C, then this BC will be considered as base and this becomes perpendicular. और AC तो हर बार फिक्स है hypotenuse. So this the first exercise is based on this concept. अगर आपको ये concept समझ में आएगा, you can do the whole exercise easily. I am repeating. If I consider angle A, then this side AB will be treated as base and BC will be treated as perpendicular. AC will remain hypotenuse. If I am considering angle C, then angle C is between these two sides. तो ये साइड तो ऑलरेडी क्या, आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट दिस इज ऑलवेज हाइपोटेन्यूज. नो another side is this. So this will be, now BC will be treated as base and AB will be treated as perpendicular when we consider angle C. Now see beta, sine of angle A is P upon H. Now these trigonometric ratios which I am telling you, these are actually the relations between these sides की ratios ही हैं. What are these relations? Sine angle A, sine of angle A if we want to consider, this is P upon H. P upon H means what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now it means I am talking about sine of angle A. So sine of angle A की बात कर रहे हैं. I am saying perpendicular upon hypotenuse. ये अभी I will tell you. First of all, let's go through it. Sine of angle, sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos is base upon hypotenuse. Tangent is perpendicular upon base. Cosecant is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Reciprocal ही है इनके ये. Secant is reciprocal of cosine. This all we consider in detail in the just now. Hypotenuse upon base है secant. Cotangent is base upon perpendicular. Now first of all, sine of angle A I am talking about. So but we are since talking about this angle A. तो perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So whenever we are talking about angle A, तो what is perpendicular? I have told you perpendicular तो उस टाइम क्या है? BC है, because ये base बन गया. So BC upon hypotenuse is AC. So BC upon AC. Sine की value is always perpendicular upon hypotenuse, but depends angle कौन सा लिया है. अगर मैं angle A की बात कर रही हूँ तो उस केस में एंगल ए के केस में दिस बिकम्स परपेंडिकुलर एंड दिस इज बेस. तो ये क्योंकि परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज है, इसकी वैल्यू साइन की वैल्यू इज ऑलवेज परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. तो परपेंडिकुलर यहाँ पे क्या है? इज बी सी फॉर एंगल ए इज बी सी अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज इज ए सी. सिमिलरली कॉस ऑफ एंगल ए, cosine I am writing, cosine of angle A is base upon hypotenuse. For angle A, what is base? AB. And what is hypotenuse? AC. So AB upon AC. Tangent of angle A, this is third trigonometric ratio. Tangent बोलते हैं. Tangent of angle A, P upon B, that is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular for this figure is what? For angle A is what? Perpendicular is your this BC and base is your AB. So perpendicular upon base is BC upon AB. Similarly cosecant of angle A is hypotenuse upon perpendicular है बेटा. ये इसका रेसिप्रोकल है साइन का. तो P upon H था, ये H upon P हो गया. तो H तो AC upon P for this angle A is B, perpendicular is BC. Secant of angle A होता है hypotenuse upon base. So what is that? AC upon AB. And cotangent of angle A is base upon perpendicular. So what is it? AB upon BC. And this is reciprocal of tangent. I'll just tell you also. Now come to these abbreviations है बेटा. Sine of angle A is abbreviated as, आप इसको लोगे sin A बोल दोगे आप इसको. Then cosine of angle A आप बोलोगे cos A. टेंजेंट ऑफ एंगल ए को हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में बोलते हैं टैन ए. कोसेकेंट ऑफ एंगल ए को कोसेकेंट ए ही बोल देते हैं. सीकेंट ऑफ एंगल ए सीकेंट ए. कोटेंजेंट ऑफ एंगल ए विल बी एब्रीवेटेड एज कॉट ए. आई एम रिपीटिंग, दिस इज साइन ए, कॉस ए, टैन ए, कोसेकेंट ए, सीकेंट ए, कॉट ए. सो इनको हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स में बोलते हैं. साइन ए, कॉस ए, टैन ए, कोसेकेंट ए, सीकेंट ए, कॉट ए. नाउ टू लर्न कि भाई अभी आप आई हैव जस्ट टोल्ड यू कि कौन P अपॉन H है, कौन P अपॉन B है. तो उसको लर्न करने का बेटा एक हमने तरीका बनाया एंड दैट इज साइन कॉस टैन ऊपर लिखो एंड राइट P B P H H B. नो दिस विल बी लर्नड एज पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर भोले. सो आई एम रिपीटिंग, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर भोले. साइन कॉस टैन ऊपर लिख दिया. साइन एक्चुअली इज वॉट? P अपॉन H. कॉस इज वॉट? B अपॉन H. टैन इज वॉट? P अपॉन B. और रेसिप्रोकल साइन का क्या था? कोसेकेंट, वो H अपॉन P हो जाता है. कॉस का रेसिप्रोकल है सीकेंट, सो H अपॉन B है. टैन का रेसिप्रोकल है कॉट, सो वो B अपॉन P हो जाता है. सो आई हैव रिटन हियर रेसिप्रोकल रिलेशंस ऑल्सो. साइन ए एंड कोसेकेंट ए आर रेसिप्रोकल्स, दैट इज कोसेकेंट ए इज 1 अपॉन साइन ए और वाइस वर्सा ऑल्सो, दैट इज साइन ए कैन बी रिटन एज 1 अपॉन कोसेकेंट ए. Similarly, cos and secant A are reciprocal relations, reciprocals of each other. So this will be written as secant A is equal to 1 upon cos A. And this is tan and cot A as reciprocal. So cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A. Now come to one more thing I am going to discuss with you. I am taking the same figure again. This time I am writing sine of angle C बेटे. Now sine of angle C, sine तो भी बोला क्या है? परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज ही रहेगा. बट दिस टाइम आई एम कंसिडरिंग एंगल C. तो फॉर एंगल C पर ये बेस हो गया, तो परपेंडिकुलर विल बी व्हाट? AB. सो इट इज AB अपॉन AC. Similarly cos C B upon H. So what is it? For C angle, this is base, so base upon hypotenuse of BC upon AC. Tan C is P upon B, AB upon BC. Similarly cosecant C, H upon B, AC upon AB for C angle, and secant C is H upon B, AC upon BC, and cot C is B upon B, BC upon AB. So this is all for this 8.1. Let's discuss rest of the exercise in the next video.